Homepage conveniently provides an overview of your next 5 appointments. If you would like to see more, click Load More button to load more future appointments. One additional feature with Contractor Pro mobile app is that if you experience phone reception issues and there is no internet, the app will display the next 30 appointments it previously downloaded on your device. You can click the Details button to view the details of the appointment. In app, due to the limited screen space, there is no Details button. Instead, you can click on Customer Name to view the appointment details. Contractor Pro offers lots of convenient features for you to facilitate your daily operation when you use a Contractor Pro Android or Apple app. You can click the phone icon to call the customer, click the message icon to text the customer, and click the GPS icon to open the map directions on your phone to navigate to the appointment address. As you can see, the accurate customer information you enter when creating an appointment is very important when using these features. At the bottom, there's a list of commonly used features, which we have covered most of them. I would like to show you the reminder feature. Whenever there's a number on the icon, you have an outstanding reminder. Click on the icon, and it will show you what it is. Reminders can be added when you add your appointment. You can add reminder to appointment itself and appointment material. You can acknowledge the alert by clicking dismiss and it will go away. Feel free to explore the homepage to experience how handy these features are for your day-to-day work.